This is a local alert. The local municipal government of Denver, Colorado has issued a public broadcast. Please pay close attention to the material. This could be a rapidly developing situation and it is imperative you pay attention. The mayor, or one of his representatives, will begin speaking in a moment. Please pay close attention at all times. Please pay close attention at all times. Please pay close attention at all. One of the mayor's representatives will now begin speaking.
Citizens of Denver, Colorado. We come to you today to reveal that there is a dangerous situation occurring which could prove to be harmful to the public. The situation will likely be solved, and not happen at all, but the risk is high enough that we feel obligated to tell you as much. At the same time, however, the subject matter is heavily classified. We cannot tell you what could cause this dangerous event, because the public does not have access to that information. But remain calm, the situation will likely blow over and not cause any harm whatsoever. When the situation worsens, we may send out an emergency alert notification and reveal to you what is happening, but it will likely not come to that. We promise you everything will be fine. God bless you all. Good day.
This public broadcast has ended. Normal programming will continue shortly. This is an emergency alert notification activated by the state government of Colorado. This is not a test. This is not a test. Follow all instructions. Please pay attention. The Governor of Colorado will now give a brief public announcement. Please pay close attention. This could be a matter of life or death. Please pay close attention.
Greetings, citizens of Colorado. Unfortunately, after our public broadcast given to Denver, a grave mistake has occurred with the possible dangerous situation, and it is now very likely that the public will be harmed. Due to the fact that the situation is growing increasingly dangerous, we will now declassify the situation and reveal it to the public. Over a year ago, in 2035, when we installed a Mini Hadron Collider in Denver, scientists there have been working and experimenting with black holes and the idea of black hole technology. However, something has gone dreadfully wrong with one of these black holes. One of the black holes has grown from being the size of a penny to the size of a small car, and it is still rapidly growing. The Rocky Mountain Collider building is likely to implode as the black hole grows in size. We are currently trying our best to fix the situation, but we have lost many to the black hole already. Although the black hole is growing very slowly, around 5 inches per second, it is actually speeding up. This could turn into a horrible situation very soon. Even as this all unfolds, and even though I admit it is very concerning, we ask everyone to remain calm. We are doing our best to solve this situation. God bless you all. We are sorry for the initial lack of transparency. Good day.
This emergency alert notification has now ended. Remember to follow all instructions or advisories you were given. Your normal programming will continue shortly. Warning, warning. This is a national alert. This is not a test. This is not a test. The United States federal government has initiated an immediate evacuation. Please stand by for further instructions. This may be a life or death situation. It is imperative you pay close attention.
This is an immediate evacuation notice from the Department of Homeland Security, endorsed by the White House. We are going to show a map on the screen. If you are currently in, or are currently living in any of the states colored in red, you are required to evacuate immediately into the mainland. If you live too far west to do so, and your only option is to leave the country, we recommend you may do so as well. The black hole has already grown to enormous proportions, and nearly the entire state of Colorado is gone. It is growing at a rapid rate of half a mile per second. Please obey military men and women and the National Guard whom are helping you evacuate. We will get through these difficult times, and come back stronger than ever. But at the moment, there is no way to combat the black hole. Please continue to not panic, obey the laws, and have hope. May God be with us all. Good luck. We will close out with the national anthem.
Attention, attention. This is not a test. This is an emergency action notification activated by the Federal Commonwealth Government of Australia, and what is left of His Majesty's government. Please pay close attention. Follow all instructions as they are given.
As you all may already know, there is a black hole growing on the other side of the world, where the Americas and Europe once were. Given the fact that it is still rapidly growing, and all of Earth is now slowly being sucked into it, we have deemed this day to be the end of the world. Oceania is now the only continent left on the planet, and will soon be gone too. There is no good news. Spend your last moments saying your final goodbyes, and with your family and with those you love. We're not sure what happens when you enter a black hole, so prepare for the worst. We're sorry. May God have mercy on us all. Good day. We will now be the last to play our national anthem, for the final time.